Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Steffi here. Listen, I have no idea what's in this package, but we about to open it up. I literally have no idea what I ordered. I've been putting stuff off to the side to film. Let's see what this is, cause oh, this is the April mystery kit. Okay. I completely missed this. Let's open her up. How can I not realize I had April? Boring. Okay, let's go through the extras. Oh, this is an extra. What does this say? Oh, this is so cute. I love. This is the Luxe kit that I got too. She's cleaning and she has her plants and her disinfecting. And this is the double box. Big comfy bed. These are the functional sheet. This is the functional sheet and the glitter headers. Let's get into this kit. We downgraded to our mini kits because summer kits aren't I don't really care for summer kits, so I figure I would downgrade. Look at these pretty fashion girls. Green is not a color that I generally go to first, but I love this green. This is so pretty. And here are the functional decorative boxes. It's been a while, y'all, since I filmed a video. This is so cute. Aromatherapy. She's cleaned the kitchen. Pretty living room. Washer and dryer set. Just so homey and relaxing. Since we have been in the house quite a bit this last year. And here are the heart checklist, the full box. I love the pattern behind these boxes. This functional page with shower, and it says glass cleaner, disinfecting spray, floor cleaner. These bottles are cute. Page flags, some rounded quarter boxes or half boxes, squares, flags, some more glitter headers. I think she should put some more scripts here instead of the glitter headers because you get a whole page of them. That's just my opinion. And my favorite, the deco sheet with some scripts, weekend banner, movie marquee, page flags, bill dues. I love these boxes on the bottom. Those half heart checklists. And this is like I call them cut washi strips. You can layer them, stack them, and you have your today, littles, dinners, workout, and some more like functional boxes, like labels. Water tracker, juice, smoothie, water, whatever. And there's icons with like birthdays, Facebook, phone, things like that. And the last page before the glitter overlays, the Monday through Sunday headers, and the bottom washi and a work schedule on the side. Okay, let's get into these glitter headers. This is pretty glitter green. This is pretty. This is for the bottom washi. Oh, okay, let's grab. Oh, these are like cut like washi overhead. You can layer those over the washi strips. And this is for the double box. So cute. And this one. Oh, that might be for the tall fashion girl. Where's she at? Let's find her. Tall fashion girl. Yes, tall fashion girl. And this one right here is for, I believe, the full boxes. Let's see. Yes, they are. This green foil is beautiful. This is the Luxe kit. As I said before, you get a lot for your money with the Luxe kit. I hope I don't regret my decision of going down to the mini size, because I hope not, because I'm gonna be crying, y'all. I'm gonna be crying. All right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will have one more GlamPlanner haul coming up soon that I'm about to film right now. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.